Calling for rulership, but before that, let's check the more beautiful reply and hot than I am. Why the baby eating? Alright, time to call for rulership. Since JP is already all the favor, and then says Ayo, Tato, or mediocre. Don't say it. Ve. Sisario. Oh, Sisario. I already made a Smap account and then I don't have rulership in 3 times more. That's one naman yun na ako sa akin. Hold up, na-flickered. Click on the screen, ha? What is happening to your YouTube? Click on the screen, the black screen. YouTube won't preview my video, so don't think I will not post anymore. Alright, time to post for rulership, and it's not gonna go well. And it's not gonna go well until one of you has to fake out Ordinary. Unlucky! Gago cam. Next! Feeling ko favorite Ordinary Rainbow Dawn na nakagawas naman sa I love Tarzan na having the non shock. Oh, nice non shock. Oh, no more rainbows naman ha. Nice. Okay. Nanang kwan. Wanang rainbows. Nice. Oh, just give me more non shots and we're done. Then I'm going to train. Nice. Non shot lagi hapon. Oh, don't give me rainbows if it is non shot. Oh, diba? Stay with me, Mamusume. Stay with me. Because if I don't have a space, I can still be with you. Nice, last one, power train. And this map. Command, adi na. One shot. Oh, diba? Diba? Okta. Sabi ko na, one shot. Ito na rin. Don't give me rulership. Oh, sa ko tinit. Oh, delete. Lumabok sa may. Mata na ka. Because it's 40 for all for long shot. So I'm going to hit this. I'm up.